The Prime Minister, when he says it's just a few weeks away, and when I look at the number of vaccines which are available in the market, whether it's Moderna, whether it's Pfizer, whether it's a whole range, or a Sputnik vaccine which is available in Russia, in your opinion, which is that vaccine which is going to be most apt, most suitable, keeping in mind Indian climatic conditions, Dr. Gupta?
This is a great question. I think this is a question of our and $1 million question. And I think that vaccine developed by Serum Institute of India and AstraZeneca and Oxford, that is known as Covishield vaccine. And this is the vaccine, this is basically vector or vehicle vaccine developed by the adenovirus, killed adenovirus, and it can be stored 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. And this platform where this vaccine is made is around 50-year-old time tested platform. This is a killed vaccine. We are expert in making killed vaccine in Serum Institute of India. Therefore, and this vaccine is in last phase of trial, and most probably within coming few days only, I think we will get the result of phase 3 trial, and we will get approval from European countries for their emergency use of this vaccine. And same thing be followed by Government of India as hinted by Honorable Prime Minister of India today. He said that whenever scientists will give indication, we are ready to give approval. That means government is willing to give approval. The first vaccine, foremost vaccine will coming to Indian market, it will be this Covishield vaccine. Second vaccine, that is most promising vaccine, is developed by Russian government, that is Sputnik vaccine, and they have tied with Dr. Reddy's lab and one heterogen company based in Hyderabad, and they are ready to produce more than 1 million doses next 1 year. So that can be also very promising vaccine for Indian condition, Indian climate, and it's our logistic, our manpower, and our transportation facilities and cold chain facilities. According to all these conditions, we need a killed vaccine or inactivated vaccine that should have vector vehicle adenovirus vaccine that can be stored at normal or low temperature. And one thing more, these vaccines will be quite cheaper. Means this Serum Institute of Vaccine will be costing around $3, means around 220 rupees only. As compared to Moderna and Pfizer vaccine, they will cost between 2,000 to 4,000 Indian rupees. They will be quite costly also.